Curious Minds. Today we'll be talking about radiation levels in cell phones released in recent years, all on Interesting Minute. To begin, we will look at 5 phones from Motorola released between 2021 and 2022. First, the Motorola One 5G Ace had SAR values on the head and torso of 1.18 and 1.43 respectively. The Motorola Edge from 2021 has SAR values of 1.25 and 1.26. The Motorola G Stylus had values of 1.09 and 1.44. In 2022, the Moto G Power had SAR values of 1.19 and 1.44. In 2022, the Motorola Edge Plus had SAR values of 1.3 and 1.26 between the head and torso. Next, we will look at a suite of Samsung phones from 2021. The Galaxy S21 between the regular phone, Ultra, and Plus had SAR values on the head between 0.65 and 0.77. On the torso, the values ranged between 0.95 and 1.08. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra had SAR values of 0.83 and 1.04. Next, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 had values of 0.73 and 1.22. The Galaxy A52 had values of 0.74 and 0.53, whereas the Galaxy A32 had values of 0.57 and 1.17. Lastly, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 had values for the head and torso of 1.12. Next, we will look at 3 phones from Google in 2022. 2 of them are Pixel 6s, but of different model numbers. These Pixel 6s range between 1.19 and 1.2 on the head and 1.11 and 1.2 on the torso. The Pixel 6 Pro from 2022 had SAR values of 1.11 on the head and 1.2 on the torso. Lastly, we will look at Apple phones in the years 2022 and 2021. Strangely enough, these phones have very little variation between all of the different models. The iPhone SE, released in 2022, had an SAR value of the head at 1.2 and 1.19 on the torso, whereas all versions of the iPhone 13, including the regular, the Pro, and Pro Max versions, and Mini, had SAR values ranging from 1.18 to 1.19 on both metrics, with the exception of the head of the 13 Pro being 1.2 and the torso of the 13 Pro Max being 1.12 as well. These values are a little higher than they have been in the past. Comparing to iPhone values from 2017 in the iPhone X and iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, these values range between 1.19 and 1.17, with the exception of the iPhone X having an SAR value on the head of 1.08. Finally, when comparing all the values amongst all these cell phone manufacturers included in this video, you can see that there's not a great difference between the Apple, Motorola, and Google phones on their reported SAR values, whereas the Samsung phones usually have a lower head SAR value. Remember that these reported values are not the only way to track radiation levels in cell phones, and are arguably not the best way to track radiation levels. For more information about how these values are found and how they are reported, please refer to this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you would like to see a specific topic or have a recommendation for a video, please don't hesitate to leave us a message or a comment.